For LaRosa is here with this frigid forecast, and I'm here with the supermodels, and I need a booster. That's what I need. not the shot.
You're like a Porsche.
I need
small but mighty.
Oh my gosh,
and powerful.
Very kind.
And cute.
Oh,
so, yeah.
Sweet. Thank you.
Yes.
And freezing.
And cold. Yeah, we definitely have the chill settling in. I want to show you the wide view. The culprit, of course, our big winter storm from yesterday, curling out into the northern Atlantic. We are in the wake of all that, so that north flow has just poured down that cold Arctic air. And if I showed you this map yesterday, the 24-hour temperature change, it would have been like 20, 25 degrees colder. So we're an additional 14 degrees colder. It is definitely dry as well. So bone dry air, cold, a little bit of a breeze, a little uncomfortable this morning. 20 at Central Park, 21 in Islip, 13 in Poughkeepsie, 10 in Monticello. These are the actual air temperatures. Just a little bit of a breeze, and we have wind chills, some below zero. Lots of teens out there. Dress appropriately. Grab the shades. We've got the sunshine back, bright and beautiful in that regard today, but staying chilly. 36 at 4 o'clock, and we'll see a few clouds move in by later on tonight, but steady temperatures right about freezing into the overnight. All right, Emily, what's going on out there?
Well, here's the thing. A couple.
I know, but there's still February and March. I mean, the first 2 weeks of March, you can get anything. All right. Yes, it's cold, and the snow is sticking around because it is so cold. Below freezing. Point Pleasant now at 21. Millstone at 28 degrees. We've got Sayreville at 19, and just a hint of a wind chill out there this morning, so definitely bundle up. We've got highs today that'll stay in the 30s, so it is going to be cold. The wind's less gusty, so not as harsh. Believe it or not, I've got some rainfall as temperatures go up tomorrow. At the same breath, I am talking about accumulating snow potential again by Friday morning. So a lot to get you through, and a look ahead to an Arctic start to next week. All that in the 10-day forecast.
Oh, she said Arctic.
It's my ride to school. All right, an easier go of it this morning across the area as we have clear skies. And looking at the view from Midtown, you can absolutely see that. The winds are still a little brisk out of the west-northwest at 14. We're sitting at 20 right now, the coldest morning of the season so far. But instead of the wind chill, I've added the dew point temperature down to 6. It is bone dry, so there's a level of discomfort there, too. Just make sure you stay nice and hydrated today. We've got a lot of change coming our way just in the next few days. Starting with tomorrow, a cold front coming by, just enough to bring back some of that moisture in the form of rain for most. And then things get interesting on Friday. We've had our eye on this for a while. By Friday morning, we're looking at some snow taking over the area. Of course, still trying to fine-tune what we're looking at as far as totals go right now. But just kind of get your mind thinking and keep it tuned into the weather the next couple days. We'll be having that forecast updated for you. But Friday may be on the snowy side across the area. Right now, though, it's only the snow on the ground that's the issue. We have clear skies, 20 at Central Park. 17 in White Plains, 22 in Islip, 13 in Poughkeepsie. Of course, the wind's still a little brisk, so wind chill is a factor. That won't be as bad, though, as we get into the afternoon, so not as harsh. And winds are going to turn to the southwest by later on tonight. That, believe it or not, is going to be a warming wind. So nearly steady temps overnight and then rising towards morning. And by the time the moisture arrives, more likely to see rain showers. But you saw a little pink, a little blue spots here and there. It could start briefly as some snowflakes or some freezing rain, so we'll keep an eye on that for the morning commute tomorrow. Otherwise, some scattered showers during the afternoon and evening, and that's quickly out of here by tomorrow about dinner time. And then it's a quick break again before we've got to keep an eye on Friday. The other part of the story for us, too, definitely the temperatures before this morning. The coldest morning was 25 degrees. We're at 20 right now. By next Tuesday, 18 degrees. So it is definitely January locked in. 36 for the high today. Again, the good news, the wind's easing a bit, so not quite as harsh, and we get all of this bright sunshine.
It's funny to see it down there and not necessarily up here first, right?
I'm not bitter, but Huntsville has way more snow for the season than Central Park has.
Wow.
Central
Really?
Park has 0.2 inches of snow so far for the whole season.
Okay.
And they got that more in one day.
Wow.
Seattle has more snow than Central Park
and
for the season.
Skiers, so
Knoxville.
I know.
I'm hurting for the ski resorts for sure. But it's cold everywhere. We have below freezing temperatures all the way to Florida.
What's happening? You know, I think people are dealing with the shock of the cold this morning. Not too many people are on the roads right now. So the Verrazano